Shops and shopping. Supermarket.
Grocery store.
I'm going to the supermarket to buy some cheese and fruit. Bakery.
Bakery. I bought some bread from the bakery.
Chemists.
Pharmacy.
We went to the chemist's to buy some medicine. Clothes shop.
Clothing store. She's going to the clothing store to buy a dress.
Shoe shop.
Shoe store.
I buy my shoes in this shoe shop. Bookshop.
Bookstore. Did you buy any books at the bookstore?
Toy shop.
Toy store.
We got the Christmas presents at the toy shop. DIY shop.
Hardware store. I'm going to the hardware store to buy some tools.
Electronics shop.
Electronics store.
I bought a new phone from the electronics shop. Jewelry shop.
Jewelry store. I saw lots of beautiful rings at the jewelry store.
Flower shop.
Flower shop.
Tom bought some roses from the flower shop. Pet shop.
Pet store. I need food for my dog from the pet store.
Corner shop.
Convenience store.
I'll buy a newspaper and a chocolate bar at the corner shop. Stationery shop.
Stationery store. You can buy pens and notebooks at the stationery store.
Furniture shop.
Furniture store.
We bought a new bed from the furniture shop. Gift shop.
Gift shop. Sarah went to the gift shop to buy a present for her mother.